guys, today I have a box right here. I just came back from basket. I'm gonna open it up. I still don't know what's inside. My dad came back from Jakarta and brought this to me. So let's just open it. Okay. So it's an arrma. Okay. I'm not gonna look first. Oh, I love it. Holy, it's kind of big. Okay, let's take it out. So this is a Mojave grom. It's coming in blue color. Okay. Dang, it's so shiny. 8 out of 10. This thing looks majestic. What the? Okay. Oh my god.
Oh, the sound. Almost no sound.
It's so low, but look at that. Boing, 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 boing. There's trouble on it. Okay. Oh, okay. So to release it, we have to just press this 2 button. Put it back. I think we just snap it. Yeah, that's pretty easy. We have the guide or something to build it back. What's included? Included batteries. This thing for the shocks. Shiny. There's arrma here. This is for the tire. This. Do you know what's this? Yeah, I don't know what's this.
You know what I like the best? This is the collection card.
Oh! There's a card. So let's run it. Okay, we got it running. Plastic. $100%. Because it's small, you can see it. Let's try it. There's water all over it. Okay, I hope it's waterproof. Yeah. This thing's good. I like it. See? Jump. Oh no. Oh well. That's what you get for playing outside. Without protection. I can't really see. It's hot. It's so fast or small. See you guys. Bye.